Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet. So today in our usual manner of visiting the fun places in Hull, we decided to visit the Hollywood Bowling Center. We noticed there's also a cinema place here, and we just decided to go in to see what it looks like and see the movies available for that day. So now I'm walking straight into the Hollywood Bowl. Come with me and let's have fun. So yeah, there are a lot of fun games to play both for children and for adults. I just went straight to the first one that caught my attention.
See, your hand now. No one run. See, no, now. See, I want to be that now.
So after this, decided to look around to see the other games available. And please note that entry to this place is actually free, but to play the games, you require coins. Some of the games actually cost like 50 pence per game or per play, and most of it costs £1. So once you get to the game you want to play, there's a place where you insert your coin and you just start to play. Yeah, it's very easy. It's a very easy process. It's a very easy thing to do. So just keep watching and you would see the machine where you can exchange. Either you exchange your notes for coins or you just use your card to purchase coin. Okay, yeah. So I actually went to play the teddy bear game and that thing just swallowed my money and I didn't get to win the bear. So this is the machine where you can get your coins, and once you place your card you type in how much coins you want and the machine dispenses the amount to you. Then you go to the, I think, left hand side where you see cups where you can pour in your coin. so you don't misplace it or something. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to go get right now. So here we're about going into the bowling center. So for the bowling center, as I mentioned earlier, entry into this place is free, but to play the games you have to pay. For the bowling center, I think 20 minutes or 30 minutes cost about £8 plus. Yeah, I think we paid about £16 or £17 or thereabouts. Yeah, so here we've gotten into the bowling center. Once you get in, you sign in on the computer, you and your competitor. So here I signed in for both I and my husband, and we just enjoyed the game. It was a very fun game. It was a very fun game to play, and I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Then also note that there is a bar where you can get snacks and drinks, coffee, tea, whatever, smoothies. They have a variety of stuff there you can buy to keep yourself busy. And there's also a very clean toilet. Yes, there's a washroom, very clean washroom you can use, especially if you're going there with kids and all. Yeah, so just enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and also turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.